Moving into the tropics, we do have one area that we're watching. This is a tropical wave way out in the Atlantic. And you can see there's some clouds, some showers taking on that very typical kind of wave look, but not organizing into that spiral shape just yet. It does now have a high chance of development in the next 7 days. So by next weekend, this could possibly be a depression or named storm. I wanted to show you our models, the GFS and the Euro, picking up on that low pressure center with this wave. The Euro is in green and the GFS, the American model, is in red. And you can see the general movement is over here, maybe brushing the northern Caribbean Sea near the Greater Antilles, and then curving up before it reaches places like the Bahamas perhaps, and Florida and the East Coast. So this would be a kind of familiar route that a lot of systems were taking last year in the early part of the season. And this would be steered by these two highs and then a trough off to the north, which might just kind of direct it out to the north a bit earlier than if it were to threaten, it looks like, the United States. So we'll still watch it. It's really early. It hasn't developed yet, but this is the thinking for the pattern at the end of this coming week and into next weekend. Looking at those names, by the way, we've made it through Debbie. This one, if it does get a name, would be Ernesto, and then after that, Francine and Gordon. And by the way, for that fifth named storm of the season, which this potentially would be, on average, that would happen around August 22nd. So we're actually not that far away, just a little bit early for the average fifth named storm of the season. So I don't know if that makes you feel better or not, but just kind of looking at that, it's about average or a bit earlier. 7-day forecast shows those temperatures hovering in the middle to maybe close to upper 90s. Note that by the middle of the week, we're looking at 96s and 97s, but the humidity will be a little higher. So it may feel, instead of like up to 105, maybe closer to 110. So pretty typical, but it will be probably feeling a bit more oppressively muggy by the middle and end of this coming week.